Rose coming!
Oh!
Rose coming!
Yeah, he's coming!
Rose coming!
He is coming! The squirrel is coming! What else does Fergus do? Tell me more of the story.
Man.
Oh, what did he do?
Dirty.
He got dirty.
Fergus!
Fergus!
A Kervis too.
Yeah.
A Kervis too.
You're right.
A Kervis too, Mommy.
Yeah, you read Fergus too?
A Kervis too, Mommy.
What, he ate the flowers.
As king.
He is clean.
Good girl, Kervis.
Good girl, Fergus.
It's tiny.
Yeah.
I remember this dog is a gummy.
He looks like Gummy, doesn't he? But he is white instead of black.
And it's a pink.
Yeah, and his toes look pink.
That's a man pink. Kervis!
Say no, Fergus!
Wow! A gummy said.
Yeah, he looks kind of like Maggie, doesn't he?
Gummy. Kervis! Kervis!
No.
Kervis!
You're right.
This
He's chasing a kitty cat, I think.
kitty cat?
Yeah, he's chasing after a kitty cat.
Kervis, no. What's this? Gummy said.
Mm-hmm.
No. Gummy did stomach.
You're right.
What's a doggy do?
What's he do? He's chasing a kitty cat.
How?
Say no, Fergus!
Wake up!
Look
Wake
what-
up, doggy!
Look here, he's like,
Wake up!
ready, set,
Go.
go!
No, where's the camera down?
Camera down? Okay.
It's at read the doggy.
Read the doggy, you read it.
No.
Okay.
Kervis, no!
Is Fergus a good boy or a bad boy?
Bad boy.
He's a bad boy?
I'm going to eat the next one. Bow down.
Yeah.
Kervis, no! Good, go, Kervis.
Good boy, Kervis. Fergus.
A Kervis do. And right there, turn right.
You're right.
With Kervis, that's a good boy.
Good boy, you're right. Here, let's see what happens next. What's he doing?
Patting,
Mm-hmm.
patting. Bad boy.
Bad boy?
Yeah. Papa.
He's scratching.
God, no! I'm a doggy. Read.
Fergus!
A Kervis do.
Fergus got in the flower pot, didn't he?
That's the doggy one.
Mm-hmm. What happened after the flower pot?
How fun is the doggy duty?
Uh-oh, what happens after he gets dirty? He has to take a nap and a bath.
How clean that?
How do you clean that? I don't know.
That will go away, doggy. Doggy, it will clean. Wake up! Wake up! Look at me to wake a tail.
Yeah, like Gummy wags her tail too?
Yeah. Look at Gummy roll tail.
You're right. What about this picture? What's happening in there?
Doggy coming.
He's going in the car. Let's see, what's next?
That one's good boy.
Good boy, Fergus.
It's Patty.
Mm-hmm.
It's Auntie Doggy Doddy. Ian.
Dan, love you. Hey, sweet girl, love you.
And Princess Doddy.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm a Doddy Pat.
Okay.
I'm King Cat.